Oh, there he is. Right? Need some ambient sounds. Right? Yeah. Happy bonfire night, everybody. Yeah, it is. You know what? The fact that it's raining, this is like a real bonfire night. It always rains on bonfire night. You never noticed it? Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Wow. Wow. Yo, that was a good one. Ooh, that one. Thank you, Cell Lobster. I'm very pleased with this. Wow, the stars look really nice. Cell Lobster, thank you for the follow. I will do that as soon as this is over. What just shut up over there? Oh my gosh. I'm smiling. Where did that one go? That's it, guys.